Good morning, everybody. Hey, welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. Look, we got a new website out selling these LS engines called LSEngineKings.com. Why are we a little different than everybody? We are different because we test and tune each and every one of our engines. All these LS packages, like the rest of our engines, we're not guessing, we're not trying, we do. We finish, test and tune, so when these motors come to you, they are going to be as simple as they can be to put in the car and run. Because man, let me tell you something, learning experiences with these motors have been a lot of learning curves. But that's why we decided when we wanted to do this, we were going to dyno test and run and tune every motor. So when the customer gets it, it's as simple as can be. And the customers that do have our LSs, they're in love with them. We got them on airboats, we got them in cars, we got them in trucks, we got them in a lot of places. So again, what we do also, this engine, if you want, we will custom paint it free of charge with the sale of one of our engines. We can custom paint the whole motor, or we can custom paint the pan and the block. We set this motor up so it fits into each hot rod, or whatever it's going to be. The proper oil pan is on here. We set these things up as simple as it could be for you. So again, when you buy an engine from us, you get one of the best products out there. Check us out. 1-800-267-3940. LSEngineKings.com is the new website for our LS engines. Thank you, and we're excited.
How's that? Fires right up. Another great run.